You've done it all.
Now when it comes to gingerbread men, if you find that yours look as though they put on weight whilst they're in the oven because they spread, I'm going to show you how to stop that happening. Over. Real easy little recipe this. I've got flour, salt, bicarbonate of soda and spice, sifting that into a bowl, and then I'm melting butter, sugar and golden syrup, and I'll pour the wet ingredients into the dry, mix it all together to form a dough, and then I roll it out between 2 sheets of plastic, and then I chill it for 30 minutes. And by chilling your dough, it makes A, the biscuits easy to cut out, but B, it'll stop them spreading in the oven. And then when I come to re-roll the trimmings, because they're quite chilled, I'll heat them up in the microwave just for 15 seconds, and then re-roll, cut out some more, and then these bake for about 6 to 8 minutes, but let them cool a little bit on the tray because they're soft when they first come out the oven. But these are smashing little biscuits.